What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the SlickWraps Mystery Box. Stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, it's time to open it up. Okay, that's enough. First of all, you get this piece of paper. Awesome, right? I'm just kidding. It's a letter from SlickWraps. You can pause the video if you want to read what it says. Alright, so the first item is an Iron Man mouse pad. Iron Man is actually my favorite superhero. I'm assuming they look at your past purchases to see what kind of stuff you're into. Otherwise, how would they know that I like Iron Man? So the mouse pad feels nice to the touch and it actually looks pretty good. I love it. And I like that it has a lot of space to move your mouse around. That's definitely a good thing in a mouse pad. Next, we have a cleaning cloth with a $20 off my next purchase code. So this is already a little less than half of what I initially invested. So I'm happy right now. Following that, we have a pop socket, which I have seen a lot of people use, but I never actually bought one. Now I have my own. It's a simple pop socket with the SlickWraps logo, and I'll definitely be checking it out if I can figure out how to install it. Right after that, we have something crazy, this thing called flashing mouth. You basically put this in your mouth, you turn on the light, and it flashes. So this is good for going to the club or just going to a party. Definitely a pretty funny thing. Now, if it wasn't for the fact that this looks pretty washed out, I would have fallen for it, but it is indeed prop money. Right after that, we have this thing that I initially thought was a Fitbit, but later on I found out that it's nothing more than a watch, which is okay. It's a nice watch. Next, we have some yellow sunglasses to get you ready for the summer. I kind of wish these had a SlickWraps skin on them, but that's okay. They look pretty nice. They also match the next thing that I will be pulling out of the box. Alright, so the next thing is a beach ball. Not only a beach ball, but it's a emoji beach ball. I'm gonna go ahead and inflate that and see what it looks like. So after busting my lungs, I was finally able to inflate it. And this is what it looks like. The next item we have here is a tile, which can be used to track your keys, your wallet, a bag, even your phone. So definitely something I'll be checking out. Next, we have a fidget spinner. So we'll go ahead and give that a spin. You're welcome. To go along with the fidget spinner, you have some skins. They look pretty nice, so I'll definitely be checking those out. Alright, so we have arrived at our last item, which I kind of wish was the first item I unboxed, so we could end this video on a high note. But regardless, I'm happy with everything that I got so far. Alright, so I'd like to call this item SlickWraps Memorabilia for April Fools. I had to check out the website to see what it was all about.
Now let me show you how it works. Simply drop on some crack, wait a sec, and relax. It's that simple. Now after seeing my demonstration, you're probably wondering, does crack really work? Heck yes, it might.
And the video is pretty funny, so this is definitely a piece of history for SlickWraps. That is pretty much it for the mystery box. Some of my favorite items were the mouse pad, because I love Iron Man. I like the towel, which I don't think I'll be using, but I can probably give it to someone who will. And last but not least, the pop socket. And here's everything I got, with the exception of the beach ball, which I forgot to include. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.